How to convert image to text in Google Docs. So in this video today we are going to show you the perfect process. So let's start with the video, guys. And at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here I am on my browser. So just first log in with your Gmail account, then we need to go in Google Drive. Okay, you can just click on this icon, Google Apps icon, and go to the Google Drive, or you can simply search Google Drive and Chrome after you log in your Gmail. Okay, now here we need to upload that image. Go to the new and go to the new file upload. Click on the file upload. Okay, just find out the folder where you have image and just click on that image and upload it. Then image will be start upload. Okay, now just refresh your Google Drive and you can see this image which you have recently uploaded. Now just click on it, right click on it, go to the open with and go to the Google Docs. Then it will be open in the Google Docs. So you can see here that the image will be converted in text. Image are still there and it is extracted text from image. So you need to just click on image, delete it. After delete, you can see your text on the image. Now you can copy and use anywhere in new file or existing file in Google Docs. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.